Yo, what up, yo? It's your boy General 315, man. Back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today we have those Jordan 12 royalties on deck, aka taxis. These basically the taxis, y'all. It's taxis with the gold hits. Got these from my boy Trader Joe's. He sent these over for a review for me. I wanted to get these in hand because I haven't had the taxis in so long, especially a fresh pair. And this is basically the taxi. Y'all know what it is. Before I get started into breaking the shoe down, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the shoe. Also, follow me on that new IG page at General315_. That's up as well. And follow me over there on this TikTok. Just to let y'all know, this is a UA shoe. It's not the retail. The shoe is not out yet. I'm just showing you guys what the shoe is going to look like. I'm giving you a glance of what we're going to get. If you want to get the retail, you can go StockX and GOAT. You can try on the sneakers app. You can do all those things you need to do. I'm going to put the prices on the screen for StockX and GOAT. I think it's going to go for very, very high prices because it's the taxi. You know what I'm saying? It's the taxi. So make sure y'all just remember that this is an educational video. I'm just showing y'all what's out there. Alright, so let's break the shoe down real quick because I want to get these joints laced up and I want to put these on feet. Y'all know what the taxis is about. I don't really need to go into too much detail, but I will put a picture up on the screen for you guys so you guys can see what the original taxi looks like. The new royalty looks like this. I like the gold hits. A lot of people are kind of like, I don't like the gold hits. I don't like the black laces. And the dope part about this shoe is it comes with an extra set of laces. So if you want to get your taxi on, you can put your white laces in there. You already know I'm putting the white laces in there. The main thing about this shoe that I'm going to tell you guys, if you want to go the UA route, and this might actually be a good thing to learn if you go with the resale route as well, is there's one main flaw that this shoe had in the earlier batches of the shoe. The earlier batches of the shoe was missing this stitching line right here. This was the stitching line that it was missing. It was basically these two pieces of the rubber on the midsole, and then this stitching line was gone, and then it was just that. That was the major flaw, and that's why I waited to get this shoe, because I knew for a fact, without the shadow of a doubt, that was not right. And I'll put a picture on the screen of an earlier batch so you can see it. So in looking at that picture, you see that this line was not there. It was a big chunk of just leather just sitting there, just like, hey, how we doing? We here. And that's not the way it was supposed to look. So when you go in and buying off of StockX and GOAT, make sure you look at how spaced out each one of these lines are. It has to be correctly spaced. Now this shoe from Trader Joe's, perfect. It's actually on point. Everything looks perfect on this one. You know, you never know what's gonna happen when you buy offline, StockX, GOAT, whatever. So make sure that that's correct. That's my tidbit for this video. All right. The shoe has an all white upper with some black hits on this side mud guard here. I think this is a mud guard. I guess that's what they would call it. It's like the side mud guard piece. I don't know what they call it. The leather on the shoe is very, very nice. It's tumbled, and y'all know I'm the tumbled leather god. And these joints are very, very tumbled. It's very nice. The finish on the leather is very nice, and it's soft. It's really soft leather. Y'all can see it. Look at it wrinkling, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. We got good leather on these. We got our gold hit right here, our Jumpman tag right here, our gold on these eyelet pieces up here, and it came covered like this. And I like that they did that. It shows that they were trying to protect your shoe from getting damaged in shipping. I like that. Our 2, 3 up the tongue in the gold, and then we have our Jumpman right here on the tongue, which looks very, very nice. Medial side of the shoe looks very similar to the lateral side of the shoe. Nothing to complain about there. And we have our outsole right here in that infamous taxi style. You know what I'm saying? Very dope. 23, got the Jumpman on the toe, and you got your nice carbon fiber down there. So pretty dope. Tag in the back, Jordan, quality materials, blah, blah, blah. That looks dope. Up to the tag, that looks dope. And one of the signature pieces of the shoe is the sock liner. The sock liner is quilted. I like that. I like that it's quilted. I think that's dope. That's a nice little addition to the shoe. Nothing bad about that. I do like the way that looks. We have a gold Jumpman down in there. Looks good. And you know, this is a 10.5. So not bad. I like this shoe quite a bit. I'm gonna rock these. I'm really gonna rock these. So nothing to complain about this shoe. If I had to rate the shoe for the colorway, this colorway gets a 10 for me. I'm not a big white and black shoe person. I like a lot of solid colors, but this shoe gets a 10 for me. It's classic. It's classic already. It's a classic of the classic. That's basically what it is. You know what I'm saying? Materials used, come on. Look at that leather, y'all. Y'all know what time it is with the leather. So 10 out of 10 materials used, 10 out of 10. That's my rating for the shoe, period. Like, look at that. Wait until I put them white laces in there. I'm gonna put the white laces in during the on foot. You know what I'm saying? So y'all could just get that nostalgia feeling out of it. I hope this video was informative for you guys. I hope it helps you make a decision where you want to get your shoes, how you want to get your shoes, whatever you decide to do. You spend your money how you want to spend your money. I would never tell you what to do with your own money. Y'all know that. So let's jump into that on foot. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. Enjoy this on foot. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.
All right, y'all, check it. So another video down. We got another shoe. We got these taxis, basically the taxis, right? We got these joints from Trader Joe's. These are super dope. It's still raining outside. I was trying to just get a couple videos done real quick in between the rain, you know what I'm saying? But I still wanted to show y'all these, give y'all a quick glance at these joints. These joints are really nice. Very nice shoe. Well put together, like I said in the video. This part right here, you see I'm looking at it right there. This part right here, this is the part on the early batches that was bad. This stitching line was basically not there, and if it was there, it was pushed up to where this second stitching line is, right there. You want to make sure that you get the right batch. Ask for your QCs, do the things that you need to do. Make sure you are vigilant and looking at your pictures before people send you these kicks, because you're going to get a batch, and it ain't going to look like this one. But I can tell y'all, Joe got this batch. This is the good batch. The leather is crazy. Like, everything is really good on these. If you want this batch, go to Joe. Make sure you go to Joe. He got you. He got you. Trust me. Let's jump into this on foot real quick. It's kind of dying down a little bit with this rain, so we could probably get something real quick, and then we're gonna move on to the next video. No matter. No medical stuff this video. No medical stuff. It's coming. You know what I'm saying? I ain't going nowhere. I'm still a nurse. But no medical stuff this video. It's raining. It's cold. I don't feel like it. But I still got y'all though. I still got y'all.